Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're in Edith. There's MJ. And where are we off to? We're going to get the tyres done, aren't we? Tracking.
We didn't pick up the tyres, did we?
We got the tyres now, haven't we, James?
Yep.
Check.
We can actually go do this now.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel once again. We've got the tyres now.
We've got tyres, but we might have forgotten something else, but
yeah,
we're going to go with it.
Hopefully. So we're now on track to go and get the tracking and the tyres done on MJ. MOT's later. And yeah, it's very hot in the van, so we're not going to do too much of an intro, but she's on the back. James has been working hard this morning while I've been batting down the motorways to come down. Oh, nice day.
It's going to be a hot, nice day.
Yeah.
But
she's insured. She should have an MOT later.
Time for tax her and then
time for the road. Can't wait. Yeah, unleash that 1380.
Yeah.
So catch you in a bit, guys, when hopefully we see some action from someone else's garage.
Well,
so we're at the tracking centre. We forgot the locking wheel nut, but luckily, well, the key, it's like an Allen hex key, isn't it? Yeah. Luckily I have one. So MJ you can't quite see because the light, but we'll show you in a sec. She's now being set up on the Hawkeye. Edith's chilling in the sun in our social distance bay that's blocked off.
Yeah, shout out to East Grintead Tyre Services.
So these guys booked us in literally last minute really, considering. Yeah. So got the phone number there, and we'll put the link to their website in the description.
I've been using them for years. Only place I've ever got the tracking done properly in a Mini is here. So
yeah, they can do 10-inch wheels as well, which is a big thing. They can fit tyres. So if you're in the south of England, definitely word them up. So got a professional Hawkeye system, which is meant to be the best about now.
It's supposed to be four-wheel alignment, but obviously the rears won't adjust at all.
Yeah, you got no camber brackets.
They'll probably come out bad. But
so yeah, she should drive in a straight line.
Hopefully.
Which when we put power down, we need.
We need, yeah. She goes be all over the place.
Yeah. James is enjoying Edith over here. So we're heading back now. East Grintead Tyre Service literally hooked us up over and above.
Really looked after her. Looked after the alloys, looked after the car.
We'll put a link in the description to sort of book in with them if you're in the south of England, because if you have got classic Mini, it is quite hard to find places to do 10-inch wheels, and they didn't damage them, they've balanced them, and she looks really good now, so new fresh rubber on the front. So
got to see the bead blaster in action. Yeah,
we got to see the bead blaster, and that, obviously you guys caught that in the video. That's bang. Yeah, that's pretty. I don't think the video even does it justice how loud that actually is. So yeah, onwards and upwards. We've got fog lamp, brake light switch to sort, handbrake just to adjust up a bit. Hopefully an oil service as well.
Got time, should do.
yeah, and then we're on to the MOT. So at the end of this video, guys, we should have an MOT'd little John Cooper Mini. So catch you soon. James is enjoying driving Edith. It's like a proper trucker now, doesn't he?
I'm at home here. This is my life.
So yeah, catch you soon, guys, and we'll get hopefully some shots of the work we're doing. It's very hot outside, so we're in full sunlight, but we're trying to get you some stuff. Yeah. So you've tackled one of the jobs, haven't you? That was
yeah, the last few MOT things. The brake lights were always on. You probably noticed that, and I think a few people did comment when Mark was working on it. But of course, these plastic brake light switches fail quite often.
Very brittle, that, isn't it?
And it's probably, I don't know if it's the original to the car. We've never changed it since we've owned it, but it should sit like that with the brass nut on it. But it broke.
So that's the job fixed.
That's done, fixed, and now I think when we go 1, 2, 3, yep. Nice and tight handbrake on 3 clicks there.
Nice
so
solid handbrake.
4th click for emergencies. I think that's what they say. And the 4th click is if you really need to stop.
Yeah, our MOT man will be happy with that.
He will be happy with that.
So the dash and all the interiors looking really nice now. Anyone that remembers this from when I was doing the welding, the rear seats are in. We're obviously going to do a review on this car. Now it's going to be back on the road, but the rear seats are in, which is a nice sight, isn't it, James?
It is a nice sight. They're in. We are just going to do a light check.
Yeah, fit a new fog light.
Fit a new fog light because it's not on, and
yeah,
do an oil service, but that's not MOT essential. But then other than that, she should be
ready to go.
Ready to go, yeah, as long as it passes, which
I can't see why not. It's solid now. It's got new tyres, tracking. Working brake lights. We'll have a fog light.
Yeah, this
in the next 10 minutes we'll have a fog light. We'll show you what fog light we're going to fit. It's not an original one, but it's a really nice, it'll look really good with this car. So yeah, it's last final sort of shakedown bits now, and off to the MOT we go. We are going to take it on the MOT, on the Edith, the truck. Just purely to be like driving the truck, isn't it, James?
Well, obviously, as anyone would know, there is a possibility that it could fail the MOT. So
yeah, and if it's a failure, you have to. You're not meant to drive it away.
You're not supposed to drive it home.
Yeah,
so we thought if you take it on the truck, one, we get a drive in Edith, and but if it fails, at least we can bring it home.
And we're doing everything correctly.
Yeah.
So
we got it now, so we might as well use it.
Oh yeah, definitely. So, yeah.
You know, that's the main part. And yeah.
So yeah, light check, wipers, fit a fog lamp, and then MOT.
MOT. Yeah. Alright, so Mark's just going to jump in. We're just going to go around and do a full light check. We'll make sure she's ready for the MOT. Yep. We have side lights. Hazards are working. Yep. Yeah, all lights, yeah, all hazards. Side lights are working. Might as well do the brakes whilst I'm here. Yep. Left, yeah. Right. Just put it in reverse. Yeah, they're both working. Number plates very dim, but they are working.
Fog light on.
Yeah, fog light is. Yeah, it's all good. Just do the indicators again on the side. Yep, cool. The other side. And
brakes aren't good on this.
that wasn't ours, no. Right, we made it. We just about got everything ready, didn't we?
Yeah, last few jobs buttoned up.
We're just about to make it on.
Didn't get a chance to do the oil change though, did we?
No, we didn't do the oil, but we got more time tomorrow. It'll get through the MOT, and then we'll be able to do more with it.
This old girl.
Yeah, Mark's not first time driving, but first time recovering.
With a car
on the back, recovering, yeah. So, yeah, what do you think so far?
Love it.
Feel different with the weight, or is it?
It does feel a lot different.
Yeah.
She actually drives better with a bit of weight.
It does, yeah, it doesn't like it, there's no weight. She prefers it.
Miss second now.
That's out, yeah. Right, well, we'll see you at the MOT garage. Whoa.
Right, so MJ's loaded back up again.
Yep.
And we've got good news.
She only passed, didn't she?
Yeah, she only went and passed. So chuffed with that. All the hard work over the last, well, over lockdown basically, doing the welding. All the work we've done today. James has been doing stuff, Chris has been doing stuff. It's good, it's all done. So there is a few jobs still want to do, isn't there?
Yeah, there's still, she's not perfect by any means.
So obviously you guys all commented in the videos about the door skins. Yes, we know about them that you're doing. There is a few other areas on the car we want to address as well.
Is that a milk float?
That is a milk float.
That is cool.
That is a cool old milk float. That is cool. So yeah, we're really happy. So she's loaded back up again. Like we mentioned, we're using the truck because if she did, in the event that if she did fail, we don't want to risk anything, and you know, we did it the right way. So,
and we haven't actually, she hasn't been on the roads for 2.5 years now.
Yeah, so we want to, now we've done a full nut and bolt check over, we're going to go over it again. And
we just want to get, and we want to service it and just make sure that we checked everything before we go out for a long drive somewhere.
Yeah, so watch this space. There will be a review, sort of shakedown drive of her, because a lot of people have asked about the 1380 side of things. But yeah, we're really happy. What is it? Beer and burger time now.
Oh, definitely beer and burger.
Yeah, beer and burger. So that's us signing out. Big thanks to the MOT test centre, but obviously we weren't allowed to film anything there due to COVID and due to privacy. So we didn't show any of that. I don't see any need to at the end of the day. But yeah, we're really happy with the result. We got another one on the road. Yes, our first project car as a channel on the road. So yeah, catch you soon guys, and yeah, signing out.